Hey guys, how are you doing? So Apple released iOS 18.2 to all the compatible iPhone and iPad models with macOS Sequoia 15.2, of course. The new Apple Intelligence features, Image Playground and Genmoji and all other features also available on Mac computers. But some users are experiencing problem and with each of the new Apple Intelligence services released by Apple with the iOS 18.2 release, and I'm covering one by one the problems and fixes in our channel. And in this episode we are going to fix Genmoji not working or not enabled on iPhone and iPad. So along with Image Playground, Genmoji is an additional feature that Apple released with iOS 18.2. In order to make the Genmoji work, go to Settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri, and make sure the Apple Intelligence toggle is on. If you're seeing another toggle, Image Playground, that is also essential in order to make the Genmoji feature work, because Genmoji uses the Image Playground feature in order to create images, generate the emoji, Apple Intelligence based AI emojis. So make sure it is on and make sure the same steps are followed, like similar to the Apple Intelligence and Image Playground feature that we explained in the previous episode. Connect to a proper Wi-Fi and not a personal hotspot, and then try to download it. Make sure you have 50% or above charge level on your iPhone, and then when you try to download it, you will see the Image Playground feature. So once the Image Playground is on, you will be able to create Genmoji. If you are seeing any invitation or the download is pending, then you need to wait for extra hours. Like for some users, it will be downloaded within 15 to 20 minutes after enabling it within the settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri. And for some users, due to the server getting overwhelmed with plenty of requests, it may take some extra time. In such case, if you're unable to generate images using Image Playground, then you won't be able to use the Genmoji feature also. Right now, the Genmoji works on WhatsApp messages and Telegram Messenger applications wherever you can text. Simply navigate to the specific window, the chat conversation, and select the emoji keyboard, and here you will see the Genmoji icon. Okay, it is kind of a happy emoji, smiley face, and with a kind of a star, the magic related icons there, and it is keep on changing its colors. A very small animation icon. It is a pretty good detail done by Apple, and then when you tap on it, it will again open the Image Playground toggle. So here you can see this UI must be familiar if you have already used the Image Playground. Then you can start creating Genmojis by submitting the text prompt, and it will start to work on it. And during this Genmoji creation or with any Image Playground usage, you may notice a mild warm temperature increase to little bit higher temperature increase over this area due to the CPU and GPU usage continuously. Don't worry about it, the temperature will be managed automatically by the device. Simply you can use it as per your requirement here. So different Genmojis will be created, and if you're using it with WhatsApp, then it will automatically convert it to the sticker. This is how it looks. You can of course add people or person with the photos to create a Genmoji. And for example, me, if I'm mentioning as me, then I'll see an option to choose a person. So here I can choose a person. If I have already used any pattern, then I can also adjust the emoji, how the skin tone, the hair and overall look should be, and then I can start using the images. All these person related emojis can be configured from Image Playground application. If you're not seeing a person of your favorite choice, go to the Image Playground app and then tap on the plus icon, choose the photo from your Photos app, and that can be included to create the Genmoji as well. So I hope this video helped you to understand how to fix Genmoji not enabled or not working problem on iPhone and iPad. If you find this information useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.